In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom indicator in NinjaTrader. By the end, you'll be able to import a third-party indicator and load it on your chart with confidence. First, make sure you've already downloaded the indicator file from a trusted source. It will usually arrive as a zip file. Don't unzip it. NinjaTrader expects the file to stay packaged as is because it contains all the NinjaScript and resources the platform needs to install it correctly. Now open NinjaTrader. When it launches, you'll see the Control Center, which is your main hub. From there, go to the top menu and choose Tools, then Import, and select NinjaScript add-on. This is the option specifically designed for indicators, strategies, and other NinjaScript-based components. A file dialog will pop up. Navigate to the folder where you saved the zip file, select it, and click Open or Import. NinjaTrader will begin processing the file. Behind the scenes, it unpacks the contents and compiles the code so it's ready to use. Depending on your system and the size of the add-on, this may take a moment. When it's done, NinjaTrader will show a confirmation message letting you know the import was successful. If you see a message about duplicates or version conflicts, it usually means that indicator, or a part of it, is already installed. In that case, double-check that you selected the correct file and that it matches your NinjaTrader version. For most clean installs, you'll simply get the success message and can move on. Next, open a chart where you want to use the indicator. If you already have a chart open, just bring it to the front. Right-click anywhere on the chart and choose Indicators, or press Ctrl+I as a shortcut. In the Indicators window, use the list on the left to find your custom indicator. It might appear under the name assigned by its creator, so use the search box at the top if needed. Select the indicator and add it to the chart. On the right side, you'll see its parameters and visual settings. This is where you can adjust inputs, colors, line styles, and plotting behavior to suit your trading style. When you're happy with the configuration, click OK. You should now see the indicator applied directly on the chart. That's all there is to it. Keep your zip files organized, import only from reputable sources, and remember, you can revisit the indicators window anytime to fine-tune settings. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your custom indicator in NinjaTrader.